Here we have the Cassini exhibit showing the generations of the satellites, different ideas.
They're much faster, correct?
Or not necessarily? They have more ISP, which means that they can do a little bit more than these types of spacecraft because it's a different type of engine. So it's not that it's faster, it can do more from a maneuver standpoint. Yeah.
So what is, I mean, other than the obvious of taking pictures, is there anything that you guys are looking at in particular?
Well, we kind of visit or fly by the moons, not all of them, but many of them. And we take readings of the atmosphere, we take readings of, we actually flew through the geysers of Enceladus and we were able to figure out what the material of the geysers were. And there's a great picture of there with the geysers over there in the bottom corner. And yeah, so we just were exploring the area to see what it's like.
What is the material?
Well, it's actually it's water. It's water ice, and we actually found some organic type of materials in there.
So it's ice water? It's basically ice?
Yeah, yeah. But there's enough energy to actually spout off these jets into space.
How far?
I'm not actually sure how far it is, but I know whenever we've done a flyby on the order of about 50 kilometers, we've flown through it. So it has to be 50 kilometers off the surface.
Wow. Is there an atmosphere? Or?
No, there's no atmosphere on Enceladus. Titan is the only one that has an atmosphere. So that's what this is right here. So this is the atmosphere.
What is the composition of the atmosphere? Do you know?
Yeah, it's mostly methane.
No matches.
There's lakes also but it's methane lakes. There's not actual water. We think Titan is very much like an early Earth. So by studying Titan, we can see maybe how the Earth developed, came around to maybe inhabit life. You know, there could be life eventually happening on Titan. We don't know. That's what we're trying to find out. So we're just trying to gather all the data right now. The scientists have been looking at everything, making new discoveries, but that data is going to last for decades for them to just pour through and figure out all these answers. You're welcome.